Good afternoon, everyone. So, our today's topic in strategic human resource management is career management. So, career management is basically a lifelong process of investing resources to achieve career goals. Career management is not a singular event or not a single event, but it is a continuation process that it is necessary for the adapting to the changing demand of career in 21st century. So career management, if we go for definition of career management, we can see that career management is a combination of structured, planned and the active management choices of one's own professional career. So basically this is the outcome of successful career management should include personal fulfillment, work life balance, goal achievement and as well as financial security. Now we talk about the objectives of career development system or career management. So as you see on the slide, there are various objectives of career management. So we will take up one by one. First objective is fostering better communication in organization. So the main objective of designing career development program or career development system is to uh, foster better communication within the organization as well as whole. It is from it basically creates communication at all level of organization. For example, managers and employees and managers and top management. Proper communication is lifeboat of any organization and help in solving several big issues. Second objective is assisting with career decision. So a career development system provide an employee as well as a manager with the helpful assistant with career decision. They get the opportunity to access their skills and competency and know their goals and future aspirations. It helps them in giving direction so that they can focus on achieving their long-term career goals. Next objective is better use of employee skill. So a career development program or a career development system help organization making better use of employees skill, since the manager knows their skills, I mean the subordinates skills and competency, and therefore he can put them at into several jobs where they will be able to display their maximum potential and give the maximum output. Next objective is setting realistic goal. So see, setting realistic goal is so much essential to focus on the expected outcome of your career. So setting realistic goals and expectation is another main objective of career development system. It helps both employee and the organization to understand that what an employee is capable of and how they can achieve their goals. Next objective is to create pool of talented employees. So creating a pool of talented employee is one of the main objective for the organization. After all, they need to meet their staffing needs uh, for the present and the future requirement, and simultaneously they need to develop a career development system which uh, help in the employee in the organization as well as to for meeting employees requirement in the organization. Next objective is enhancing career satisfaction. Organizations especially uh, design career development system for enhancing the career satisfaction of employees. So if employees are not satisfied with their career, they will get demotivated and by the same way, the productivity of that individual will also go down, since they have to retain the valuable assets. I mean, the organization need to retain certain valuable assets for the organization and prepare themselves for top notch position in the future. So they need to understand the career requirement and expectation from their organization. And last but not the least, the objective of career development system is giving feedback. So giving feedback is on every step is also required within the organization to measure the success rate of a specific policy implemented in the organization and initiative taken by the organization. In addition to this, it also helps manager to give feedback for employees performance, so that they can understand what is expected from them. So this is all about the career development and career management program and its objective. So that is it for the day. Thank you so much.